Number one, hire the person who pushes back. Really, the core concept here is don't hire doers, hire architects. Don't hire admins, hire people who will push back to understand a problem before creating the solution. So for example, if someone comes and asks for a custom field, you don't want, and then the red flag here would be, the response would be, cool, I'm gonna go and create the custom field for you. Well, great on surface, right? The job is done, customer's happy, your team is happy, everybody's happy. That could create a lot of problems down the road because the response you actually want from the admin or the architect is, what are you actually trying to accomplish? What is the goal that you're trying to achieve here? Because sometimes a custom field is the right option, but sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's a label, sometimes it's a Rovo AI workflow, sometimes it's a description item. So sometimes users come to admins or architects with prescribed solutions that may not really achieve what they're looking for in the long term. So really what you want to hear is, before any kind of suggestion is made, before any action is done, is what are you trying to accomplish? That's going to be the good answer that you want here. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. We're currently opening up 4 more slots for our Jira strategy. We only run 4 of these per month. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.